let's learn how to connect ESP8266 to computer and program it using Arduino software. Connect using micro USB cable to computer.
Search USB to UART driver. Click on USB drivers or and then download UART bridge driver for Windows. Start downloading it. Open destination folder. Extract here itself. Extraction done. Go to device manager. In ports, search USB to UART bridge. If it detected in COM port, you are good to go. Detected somewhere here, go to update driver and locate that downloaded link. Downloads. Next, it will install the silicon lap driver and you are good to go. Search Arduino IDE. Open this link. And download for Windows 10. Download and install this software and search ESP8266 nodemcu GitHub. Go to this first link and copy this link. Open Arduino software. Go to File, Preferences and paste this link here and click OK. Go to Tools, Boards and Board Manager. Search ESP8266 and install this driver. After installing, go to Tools, Board Manager, select ESP8266 and click nodemcu 1.0 and go to again Tools, go to Port. For port, you need to see which port is assigned for ESP8266. Go to Device Manager, Ports, Port 9. Select Port 9 here. Click OK. Now nodemcu is connected to Arduino software. defining the library, constant declaration. After that, which mode you are using, P4 pin for output. So we're writing digital write for a LED high and delay for 1000 milliseconds return high, and same thing for low. 1000 milliseconds means 1000 milliseconds 1 second, it will get low. After program writing, click verify if there is any syntax error in the program.
Connect VCC to V of the ESP, ground to the ESP, and we have program to D4, so connect D4 pin. Let's turn it on. So our program is working fine with the relay connected. Thank you for watching this video.